A lot of times the eggs end up at farmer's market, but what happens when they end up at a restaurant? Let's go visit the Root and two wonderful egg dishes on their menu.
Hey, I'm Mickey Rial, breakfast chef at the Root Cafe, downtown Little Rock. Pastured eggs really do have a better flavor and texture. They hold together really well. The whites don't run all over the place. And the yellows have a really deep color to them. And they're healthier. They have more omega-3s, healthier fats. Our most popular breakfast dishes are omelets and Eggs Benedict. I'll be making those for you today. The first one is the omelet. We'll start by putting our onions and peppers on the grill. We'll add our sausage and break it up and mix it with the onions and peppers to help soften everything up. And then we'll take our pan, we'll spray it down with cooking spray, and we'll put a little bit of clarified butter in there. And we put 4 ounces of scrambled eggs in there, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then you basically just wait until the eggs are starting to come together on the bottom a little bit, and then use the spatula. We flip the omelet. By then our onions and peppers should be done. Put those in, put our cheeses in, spread it all out so it melts together correctly. And we roll the omelet out, and we add our salad. The second dish I'm going to talk about today is our Eggs Benedict. We start by putting our poached eggs in our water, which has a little bit of vinegar in it to keep them from falling apart. We have them in there for 4 minutes. We'll be serving it on one of our fresh-made biscuits that we make every morning here at the Root. We then put our greens and ham on the grill. We add vinegar into our greens. And once that's heated, we can put the ham on top of the biscuit. Then on top of the eggs, we put our Hollandaise, and then just a little bit of salt and pepper. Hollandaise is pretty easy to make. You just separate some egg yolks into a metal bowl. You add in about the same volume of egg yolks. You add in half water and half lemon juice. Then we'll put that on our double boiler. You whisk it. You want to whisk it until it's a pretty thick consistency, and the air bubbles will make it rise and it'll double in size. And you take that and you take your clarified butter. You want to put about 1.5 ounces of butter per egg. Then you whisk it together and I add sriracha. Most people use red pepper and salt. And that's pretty much it. I add a little bit of water to help thin it out if it gets too thick, but that's it.
There are a lot of topics to cover in experiencing Arkansas agriculture. Hope you enjoyed this episode from farm to restaurant, all in partnership with the University of Arkansas Systems Division of Agriculture.